The ancient oceans and landscapes of Earth's past are the clearest examples of how nature has a strange way of magnifying dread. The waters provided a unique refuge for life throughout the Late Permian epoch, which lasted more than 259 million years ago and was dominated by terrestrial predators. Let's explore this unique era when danger was present everywhere and Earth was very different. A world that is not like any other. The supercontinent Pangaea dominated Earth's geography during the Late Permian, combining present-day Africa, the Americas, Asia, and other regions into a single enormous landmass. The enormous Panthalassa Ocean, which was twice as large as the Pacific Ocean today, surrounded here. Because of the moon's closer orbit, Earth's days were shorter, lasting around 22 hours. With average highs of 35 degrees, 95 degrees, the climate was severe. The middle Pangaean mountains produced arid conditions that further limited life, and deserts covered the equatorial areas. The lack of livable land was exacerbated by these harsh environmental conditions, which concentrated life in particular areas, such as present-day South Africa and Russia. The Gorgonopsids' domination. On land, a group of formidable saber-toothed predators known as the Gorgonopsids emerged as a result of the extinction of earlier dominant species. These therapsids were a distinct lineage more closely connected to mammals than reptiles, and they were named after the Gorgons of Greek mythology. Intensifying. The largest of them was a fearsome apex predator. This beast was over 11 feet, 3.5 meters long, weighed over 1,000 pounds, 453 kilograms, and had razor-sharp, serrated fangs in addition to speed and power. Its hunting tactics, similar to those of contemporary saber-toothed cats, probably included striking the neck or causing deep wounds that would render victims unconscious due to blood loss. Another powerful Gorgonopsid subgroup, the Rubigiids, which featured species like Rubigaea atrox, was found in South Africa. Strong heads and sharply serrated teeth that were designed to tear through flesh were characteristics of these carnivores. As apex predators in their own environments, they dominated a variety of ecosystems. Additional deadly predators, Gorgonopsids, were scary animals, yet they were not alone in their dominance. Theriodonts. This varied group featured predators the size of jaguars, such as moschops, which subdued victims with their keen teeth and powerful forelimbs. It was even suggested that some species were poisonous, crocodile-like proterosuchids. These water and land-dwelling reptiles were semi-aquatic hunters with teeth like needles. Primitive amphibians. Large animals such as the 13-foot, 4-meter, Rhinosuchus lurked in freshwater habitats, ambushing any intruders. In a hostile world, a diverse range of herbivores coexisted with these predators, while the massively armored Scutosaurus, weighing over a ton, depended on its bone plates and spikes to fend off attacks. The pig-sized Lystrosaurus dug burrows for refuge. Even with their adaptations, life in this predator-dominated environment was never easy. The Great Death, the Permian-Triassic extinction event, sometimes referred to as the Great Dying, marked the end of the Late Permian epoch. This extinction, which was caused by huge volcanic eruptions in Siberia, eliminated 70% of terrestrial species and approximately 90% of marine species. An apocalyptic scenario brought about by toxic gases, climate change, and a sharp decline in oxygen levels permanently altered life on Earth. A survival legacy, one of the most intriguing and terrifying epochs in Earth's history, is still the Late Permian. This era serves as a reminder of nature's tenacity and the never-ending fight for survival. From the supremacy of Gorgonopsids to the harsh climate that shaped life, the real terror was the unpredictable nature of Earth's evolution, which continues to influence the world we live in today, even if the oceans were comparatively safer than the land.